Hello and welcome to another update video about the silver price. So silver is following perfectly at the moment the forecast, the Elliott wave count. It's all going really nicely. We've reached two of the target areas, also nice, even though that move down was quite harsh. So we're going to take a look at that in a minute, but overall, as you can see, it reached both of these target areas. Now, where are we with silver? You can see the roadmap anyway on the chart outlined already. We're going to specify now in a little bit more detail the target for the wave 3 as well. So yes, silver, where are we? So silver, maybe we start today once more on the larger time frame. So with silver, since I've started to cover silver, we have followed perfectly the Elliott wave count. Just wanted to give you an idea where we actually come from. So the larger wave 1 of the silver price was reached here. That was back in 2011 in April. Since then, silver has been in a like 10-year long correction, 9 years, where it came down in March 2020 into this, the swing low. We all know what happened in March 2020. That was sort of the last dip that silver needed to finish off this overall correction, which was probably a good thing for silver because it made a significant swing low, and after that we saw a strong impulsive increase, very impulsive. So it moved up in this wave 1. So based on the Elliott waves, you would expect that, well, we have completed this higher level wave 1, we have come down in this wave 2, and we are now in the wave 3 in white. The wave 3 should, and that can take years to play out, so I don't want to create hope or anything here, but just to give you a rough idea, very rough idea of where that might take us, we're looking here at prices, probably around around $80, something like that, $75 to $80, maybe a bit higher in the 1.618 extension here for that wave 3, but that can take years to play out. As you can see, bullish price movements oftentimes happen faster here, like an impulsive increase, if you compare that to the corrections that can take much longer. Reason for that is that the impulse, the wave 1 for example, moves in line with the higher level trend, and the trend is up very clearly here for silver. The longer time frame trend, the longer term trend is up. Therefore, these moves that are working in line with the trend are faster. Anything that works against the trend obviously takes a little bit longer to play out, like this wave 2 here. Same story now with this subwave, because in the wave 3 here in white, you obviously have subwaves. Within this wave 3 now, we had a wave 1 to the upside. That played out until August 2020, so it only took a few months. But since then, we have also been in a 2-year long correction down. And I believe this one is complete now, When I started to cover silver, we were around $20, I think, and I told you we have to get into this region. And it's still not invalidated, so we could still drop a bit lower. We reached the target range. We did not reach here the ideal target range, but that's not a problem. We reached the overall required range for this wave 2 to finish on the lower time frame for silver. Gold reached the perfect target. Silver didn't, not a problem. I gave you the key targets that need to be reached in order to get bullish again, which we reached as well. So when we broke out above this channel here, when we broke out of this channel, I moved over to the bullish scenario. What you always want to see when you reach a target, a reversal area like this, which was quite large, you try to specify it further, which we did. But there was no guarantee we would get there. As I said, on gold we reached it, silver we didn't. Not a problem, because we reached the overall green reversal area. And whenever you reach a reversal area, you need to be on high alert that the trend change could happen. That in the end did happen. We broke impulsively out of the corrective price channel, which is always a good signal that the correction has ended. And we moved up even in this wave 3 target area, and finished off a wave 3 in what I believe is a wave 3. Now you can see now the roadmap of what I believe is going to happen for silver. We moved up from the low here, from this larger wave 2 low, in a wave 1 and a 2, and we're now in the wave 3 in white. In the wave 3, we also have to complete 5 waves. You've seen already the wave 1 here, the wave 2, and we've completed the wave 3 target. We have come into the wave 4 target area. Both were, again, reversal areas. Personally, I would not have shorted here because it is very difficult. Well, it would have worked out, but personally, because, you know, if you are in a strong uptrend like we possibly are now, shorting against the higher level trend is first of all always risky, and then to short from a wave 3 into a wave 4 is always tricky as well. But this could be used for accumulation if you like to. That's up to you. Of course, I can only give you my areas where I expect the price to reverse, which is this wave 4 area between $19.40 and basically $20. And as you can see, we already came into it once, we reversed but didn't make a higher high, and we came into it once more. That is not a problem. That's actually expected because we didn't really go very deeply into it. So we haven't even maxed out, we still haven't maxed out this area. This area is located between the Fibonacci levels of the retracement, basically here between the 50% Fib retracement and the 23.6 retracement. I would need to go back into my previous video. I'm pretty sure I told you that even when we moved out of here, I would still expect to go deeper into the area because the 38.2% Fib level is always the most likely level for a wave 4. So now that we've reached it and we saw a strong reaction to it, it could very well be that the wave 4 has finished and we're now on our way into a wave 5. Now, what would be basically the key target now for that wave 5? So let's take a look at that. For that, we take the Fibonacci extensions. And so there's various ways of how we can calculate that. So let's try this first. So just make it a bit larger. So textbook target, yeah. Well, I would personally start because this is an extended wave, the wave 3. The wave 5 target, in my opinion, what we need to do is, strictly speaking, all we need to do is to move above the wave 3. So at 2053 or 2054, you already need to be on high alert that we could come down again. But the ideal target for me would start at the 300% Fibonacci extension. That is at $21.40, and it could go all the way up to the 400% extension. That is where I would expect the price in this wave 5 to reverse, in yellow, and to then enter. So basically that would complete wave 3 in white, and from here I would expect a move down into the wave 4 in white. So I'm also going to give you the reversal area for that. Should we go, I will give you the should we know how high the wave 3 will in the end really go, because obviously this is a range, and in this range we just need to be on high alert that again the move down could occur. So at the moment it's all working out. Expect now the roadmap to be followed. Should we go below $19.40, it will put some doubt on the bullish scenario. We can still be bullish, and it would not invalidate this imminent scenario. But should we go below $18.90, then this imminent scenario will get invalidated, and I'll keep you updated then about the next course of action. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update about silver. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then also check out my main channel, More Crypto Online, and the link for that is in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.